Welcome to revhardgarage. If you're new here, my name is Brandon and I'm an automotive vlogger and I work out of my garage here. So everything you see on the channel comes from right here in this garage. I'm going to start trying to do things just a little bit different. I'm going to try uploading some shorter videos and maybe try to upload a little more often. So, you know, just see how things go. So I'm going to do a little update on the El Camino. I know I said the next video was going to be about the rear end, but I'm still working on the AC system. And so I figured I'd go ahead and do a little update on that. I got the compressor swapped out. I got the lower fitting for the radiator. They sent the wrong one for the upper. It's supposed to be here tomorrow. So I went ahead and started checking everything in the AC system, and it was pretty trashed. The compressor obviously was seized up, and it filled all the lines and everything up with metal shavings. This guy was trashed, so I've got a new one of those coming. But I've got to flush all these lines out. I got to flush the evaporator, the condenser, and so everything with the AC system is going to be worked out. And I actually had ordered all those parts, but I couldn't get them today because about 10 o'clock this morning we actually had a tornado touchdown less than a half a mile from the house. So I spent the majority of the day getting the yard cleaned up and the driveway and the cars and getting all that kind of stuff straightened out. So that kind of killed productivity for the day. And also I was up all night last night, and when that happened I ended up being up all day today. So I've been up for like 40 hours now. So if I look tired, that's why. So our power was out for 9 hours, and I ended up when we were cleaning up the yard and stuff, because the power was out, I rigged up this power supply. I had a plug hanging on the pegboard, so I wired this up to a battery. I've got a few batteries laying around. I got this guy right here. I got a couple other power inverters. So I was using this earlier today with the battery to charge my Milwaukee batteries so that I could use my cordless blower to clean the driveway off and stuff. So that worked out pretty good, you know. Figured I would put that together. I didn't know when the power was coming back on because we had a lot of damaged power lines. I'm talking about like broken power poles and everything. So it was pretty ugly, but anyway, so I had that rigged up just in case we needed power in the evening. So, you know, for some small stuff. I got some spark plug wire ends, so I'm going to be building some spark plug wires for this. It's got the stock spark plug wires on it now, and so I'm just going to go ahead and take these off, and I'm going to remove the ends and put the 45s on there so they got a better clearance, because these were new wires when we did the LS swap. So I'm just going to put the 45-degree ends on there. You know, that way they got better clearance to the runners. And so that'll be nice. And if you guys want to know how to build the spark plug wires, I've got a video demonstrating how to put these together with all the part numbers and everything. So if you guys want to see that, go check it out. I went to Home Depot and got some steel. So I got this angle iron and a piece of sheet metal to build a upper mount for the radiator. And you guys saw in the last video I made this temporary bracket to hold everything in place so I could get everything else going. So I don't completely know what I'm going to do exactly here. So I'm just going to have to kind of wing it and see what I come up with. But I know the angle iron is going to you know, be to hug this lip. So I'm going to have like a, you know, padding and stuff in there, and the plate's going to cover most of the top of the radiator, and I'm going to use stock bolt locations. Alright, here you go, guys. Basically took a stock set of spark plug wires and I took the factory boots off, which is very easy to do. Took all the factory ends off and put these 45-degree bends on there. And like I said in my other video, the boot kit's only about $15, and it literally took me 9 minutes, really 8 minutes, to swap those over. And like I said, these wires are pretty new, so you know they were bought brand new when we did the swap. And like I said, these will give you a lot more clearance to the headers, and it basically costs $15. And if you got a stock set of wires that are in good shape, that's all you got to do. Guys, I'm working on the upper radiator mount, and this is what I got so far. I think it actually came out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. I gotta put a coat of fresh paint on it, get it looking nice and shiny. But I think it's pretty sweet. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.